Why some people study 2 hours and still outperform those who study 6. The secret lies in how you study, not how long. Today, Easy Way will reveal 8 science-backed strategies to help you study smarter, remember longer, and stay calm during every exam. Step 1. Drop the more hours equals better results. Mindset time doesn't determine success. Studying for long hours doesn't mean studying effectively. When you sit for hours without focus, you're only extending fatigue. Your brain works in cycles of focus and rest, pushing nonstop only drains energy. Study for 50 minutes, then rest for 10 minutes to recharge and retain more deeply. Smart studying is about optimizing energy, not grinding time. Be active, not passive. Instead of rereading or highlighting, use active recall. Test yourself without looking at your notes. Every time you force your brain to dig up information, the neural connections strengthen. Combine it with spaced repetition review. After 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and you'll remember 510x longer without endless repetition. Step 2. Read backwards to save time. Don't read from start to finish. Begin with summaries, subheadings, and charts at the end of each chapter. When you grasp the big picture first, your brain connects the details more easily later. It's like checking a map before entering a maze. You'll move faster and understand deeper. Reading fast doesn't mean reading carelessly. Focus on bold keywords, graphs, and examples. They're the backbone of knowledge. After getting the gist, dive into unclear parts. This method can save up to 40% of your time while keeping full comprehension. Step 3. Batch similar tasks to boost productivity. Every time you switch from writing an essay to solving math problems, your brain needs to reboot. That's why you feel drained quickly. Group similar tasks. Read first, then take notes, finish exercises, then write essays. Reducing context switching is the secret to maintaining long focus. When you start studying, don't jump into the hardest part. Do something easy first to read questions, organize notes, or solve simple problems. Small wins give you momentum. That dopamine boost from many successes helps your brain stay motivated and engaged longer. Step 4. Set limits to challenge yourself. According to Parkinson's law, work expands to fill the time available. So shorten your limits. Instead of 2 hours, give yourself 45 minutes. With a timer counting down, you'll focus harder and cut distractions. Less time often means more efficiency. Create mini challenges like finish 10 questions in 30 minutes. When you succeed, reward yourself with a short break. This turns boring study sessions into fun self-competitions, building both discipline and speed. Step 5. Leverage the power of AI. Top students use AI wisely. Grammarly improves writing, ChatGPT helps summarize quickly, and mindmaps.ai organizes ideas visually. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on creativity. But remember, AI doesn't replace thinking, it amplifies it. Platforms like Skillshare offer thousands of practical classes from real experts. You can learn filmmaking, design, or productivity skills. Learning in a community gives feedback and motivation, a true growth environment to help you improve faster. Step 6. Skip dead ends and move forward. If you're stuck on one question for more than 20 minutes, stop. When your brain hits saturation, efficiency plummets. Switch to another task or take a short 5-minute walk. When you return, your mind resets, and the answer often comes naturally. Don't let sunk costs trap you into pushing through something that's not working. Smart learners know when to pause. Progress isn't always a straight line. Sometimes, moving sideways is moving forward. Step 7. Do the easy tasks. First, tasks with clear boundaries like flashcards or quizzes should come first. Finishing them gives you a sense of progress and relieves the "I've done nothing" stress. Once you gain momentum, tackling hard tasks feels much easier. Projects like essays have no clear endpoint. Set small goals. Write 200 words, edit 1 paragraph. When you have limits, you avoid perfectionism traps. Remember, done is better than perfect. Small, consistent progress beats endless waiting for perfection. Step 8. Label notes for smart review. Don't wait until exam week to review. While studying, star unclear parts and circle key ideas. This helps you know exactly what to review later instead of rereading everything. Labeling is the secret to turning notes into a long-term memory tool. After each session, spend 10 minutes reviewing and adding weak points. When revising, focus only on marked areas. You'll save over 50% of your time while retaining more effectively. Smart reviewing isn't about reviewing more, but reviewing right. All these strategies only work if you take action. Choose one step and apply it today. Want to make studying easier, more fun, and more effective? Subscribe and watch the next Easy Way video where we'll show you how to study less, remember more, and achieve more.